Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies here today, and I have a valve here that we took out of our Mustang engine that they have tore completely apart. This one is really corroded and has a lot of buildup on it. What we're going to do today is we're going to use our dry soda machine, and then I'm going to show you that even with the soda on there, once you rinse these parts off, that soda completely dissolves and there's no residue left behind. All right, so we finished blasting with our dry soda. We do have a little bit of powder and residue left on here. But the good thing about soda is, let me show you this. So if you take it and actually put it in water, all the soda's gone and the part's completely clean. If you have any questions about soda or how this works, give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.